Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you from the market site in Times Square, New York City with Tony Cord with Newport LLC and a number of middle market leaders. Tony, it's great to have you with us on set at Market Site. Tell us more about Newport.
Jill, Newport is a boutique advisory firm. We help companies that are scaling, growing, enhancing their performance, and getting ready to raise capital or exit their businesses.
All right, and we are going to be meeting with a number of the CEOs from the middle market leaders. Tell us what exactly a middle market leader is.
Yeah, we're going to meet some great people today. Middle market leaders are the innovators, the people who are responsible for much of the jobs growth in the United States. So these are men and women who are scaling organizations. They're in the lower middle market. We typically look at companies that are 20 million to 100 million top line revenue, sometimes north of that to a half billion, sometimes below that if they're funded. But the middle market is really where the action is. For us, again, the innovation, the jobs creation, middle market, US is where all the action is. So we focus on that.
Are you focused across all sectors, or are you seeing more activity in one sector versus the other?
Yeah, so all sectors. And the economy is just very diverse now. We're seeing all kinds of diversity by industry, by gender, by ethnicity, really just a smorgasbord of growth going on in the United States. So we're trying to showcase the women and men who are driving innovation and jobs growth in the US. That's what this program's all about.
Yeah, it sounds really exciting, and when you think about new companies coming to market and even public companies, ESG is a big part of that conversation. Are you also advising them on governance and how to properly form your board and keep that diversity going from the start of the company to public?
Yeah, absolutely. It's a great question because business builders have this singular vision at times and may or may not be aware of the breadth and depth of what it takes to scale a business. So absolutely. Everything involved with the context for governance, how to market and sell, getting accounting and bookkeeping in line, and of course, capital markets. This is not what they do every day. It's serving a customer or a client. So yes, we get involved in all those aspects, helping them optimize the business.
All right, Tony, thanks so much for the insight.
Yeah, thank you.
And thank you for joining me on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.